Yeah.
Hello! Today we're just in the pond trying to catch frog. Yesterday I caught frog. I didn't record it because I forgot to bring my camera. Trying to catch a frog again. We're gonna come back later. Alright, Kareem, follow me.
Okay.
There were lots of maggots and fish in that water yesterday. Dude. Are those like... I thought they were like frog eggs. Okay, just keep on going. There's something under this rock, I think. No. So, oh! Hey, Kareem, come here. Earthworms. Right there, there are earthworms. Can you zoom in, Kareem? Do you see it?
Yeah.
Does the camera see it? Go closer. Okay, look.
I got it.
Like, you can stand here.
Where is it?
Here, stand here. No, stand here and then record right there. And there.
Yeah, they can see it.
So let me just open this rock. And there's nothing under that. Okay, I'm gonna get one earthworm right in my finger right now. Are you like okay?
Wait, I got it.
Yeah, this is our earthworm, one of Earth's most common decomposers. Let's put it back inside so it doesn't get dried out. Feels a bit squiggly. Ooh, hey. I got a new. Oh dang it! I got a new species of earthworm right here. It might be young. Okay, now go and venture into the wild. All right, go. Be with your friends, young one. Good. Now I'm just gonna open this up. There's a worm right there. Oh god, no, it's gonna run away. Where is it there? Is it still there?
No.
Well, I didn't know earthworms could be that fast. Anyway, let's move on. Oh, there's some earthworms here too. You're like so scared.
Who?
Me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just pull this out. I want to see. Get wrecked. Oh, this is a long one. Woo! Earthwormy. I'm putting it right here. Oh, what's under this rock? Nothing. This? Still nothing. Okay, let's spend our time.
I see another earthworm.
Oh, Cream. Come closer. Okay, stand on that white rock. This one, yeah, right there. And record there. You're not allowed to touch a mud because your parents are gonna get mad. Is that on camera? Right.
Yeah,
Do you see how earthworms right there? Let me scoop it up for you guys. I got most of them. Okay, I'm just gonna take like a bath now. Take a bath.
Why is the container lid here?
Where's the container? Oh, I need this. I keep on forgetting. Ooh, you're like having a dance party right there. Huh? Okay, let's move on along this stream. Stupid earthworms. Hey! Here's some of the fish I was talking. Ooh, what the crap is that? Oh, frog! Green! Right here, it's like a frog. I don't see it.
Something moved.
Yeah, there was a frog. Where?
Did it jump that way?
Yeah, only one of them though.
What? Oh my god. Is there anything under this rock? No.
Oh, what's this? Are you like... Hey, Kareem! We got like a mollusk over here. These guys are common. Oh, God. Okay, it's not worth it though. Oh, Kareem,
Yeah.
don't step on that rock. There's a spider right there. Anyway, this is contagious. Okay. There's a fish right there, Kareem. Do you see it? The dead fish.
Whoa.
Step on those two white rocks. These two.
Oh, I see.
There, right there. That was those were one of the fishes that lived in that pond over there, but they died. Couldn't make it because they were poor in survival. We should pray Janazah for them.
Okay. You want to go find some frogs over there?
Hey, look, more fish? Are you a fish? Yeah, you're a fish. See right there.
Is it dead?
Yeah, it's dead. Okay, let me go check this stream. Nothing but earthworms, surprisingly. frog. Oh, what are those? Here, look. Zoom on that.
There's two dead earthworms.
They might be resting. You never know. Oh, hey, Graham. Bring that to me. There's a snail live in action right here. It's like, no, I'll give it to me.
I got it.
I got better view. Can you guys see that snail? Well, where is it? What? Let me find it.
And there's an earthworm right next to it.
Okay, so let me go find it. See, look, that's a snail. It's moving. You can see it moving right now. One second.
It's moving closer to it.
Yeah, this is. Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
When a snail versus worm.
Uh-oh. 3, 2,
2, 1, fight!
Oh.
You're like, sup, buddy?
I wasn't expecting that.
Okay, now bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, I'm pretty sure. Whoa! That's a lot of earthworms.
Oh, I see it.
Guys, you see this? 1 second. Guys, you see all that earthworm?
Is there like a
That's like yeah, they could be like a soccer concert, playing like soccer ball or something. And okay, move on. Ooh, is that a maggot? I just saw something like right here. It was like a little tiny snail colony over here, but they're blending in too well for the camera to see. Why is that water wrinkling? Oh, it's raining. Oh wow, it's raining.
It's raining?
It's drizzling.
Oh,
Bro, look at
yeah.
the water. And hopefully it's a drizzle if it gets any more. Okay, we're just gonna take a quick look and then we're gonna go back inside.
Y'all want to go over there?
Whoa, what's under my feet?
Rian, you want to check over there?
Okay, bro, it's getting too worse. Okay, let's go back.
Yeah.